Hello. We're going to record bug fixing. So I thought it's a good idea to show the workflow how to fix a simple bug in a new Vim plugin. So I'm going to choose nvim-lspconfig. So the current problem that I think it's a bug that the Semenko Lua LSP should detect anything under Lua folder as a root folder. But if we try that, so we are under a Lua folder. So I expect the root path to be this. And if you try that, that's right. Okay, we can check with LSP info. So we can see that the root folder is different. So time to debug this. So plugins are usually with Packer installed under a local share new Vim site backpacker start. You can see all the plugins that I have. Optional plugins go to opt. That's for lazy loading. So today we care about LSP config. Let's change. Let's use Helix for change. Okay, so where do you go? Go to Semenko. No, it's not CMN. Okay, so okay, so we want to check if this is working or not. So the nice thing about the debugging plugins is you can just modify things and it will work. So I can do this and this. Okay, to actually show up, we have to use vim pretty print. Yep. Okay, let's try this. So we can see the file and we can see the root pattern. So what does this mean? Root pattern do F name? Ah, I think it's simple. I think it's just that root pattern returns the actual pattern, but without the Lua part. Hmm. Is that? I think yes. So where does util come from? GD. Oh, nice. Helix just have the this working. GD works. Okay. I don't remember I configured anything. Okay, this is not a nut for Helix. I'm just using it these days. Okay, so it's coming from here. We can test this. Okay, we can test this with the Lua coil. Let's go util. And then okay, and then call root pattern. It's a function. Why is it a function? Root pattern. Ah, you call the root pattern with Lua, and then you call with the file. Okay, so what's our file name? It's this. I think. So you call this attempt to call a null value. Why? Yep, it's like this. Okay, so now we have our production. So it's not really a bug. Okay, what if I used another path? Let's say it's dev, I don't know, Dino or something. I have this path. It returns the same thing. What does even root pattern do? Root pattern Lua. It has the Lua pattern inside dev. Okay, maybe if I do this. Yep, it doesn't return anything. So root pattern returns the last path that contains the last part of the path that contains this pattern, which is Lua. I have Lua under dev. That's why it returns a path here. But is that really the path that we want? I think more correct approach that it returns the path, but Lua appended to it. Okay, I think yep. I think that makes sense. Okay, so let's go back to here. So what does that mean? Fruit. I think these conditions need to be separated. Yep, let's just go with that. Okay. Okay, then I have to save a variable first. Okay, okay, just do another thing. So, or how does or work? I think or should short circuit. So if this returns a value, this will not trigger. So I think you have to split it like this. Oh, 1 second. Okay. So let's say yes. I think this is logical. So now if you have root, we return root, and in this part we don't have root. So let's say this can take the same condition. We don't need this. Okay. If root and root, this is not that. Okay, so now we just do this. Return root plus Lua, or plus Lua like this. Yeah, I'm not sure about that last part, but I think it's correct. Yep. Okay. Redefined local. Okay, whatever. Let's just do this. Is that good enough? Let me think. Yes, I think this is correct. Okay, let's try it. We have errors. File type. Let me just check. Okay. File type. Okay, that's how Lua works. I think it's like this. Okay, let's try this. And bam, we have Lua. I think this is more correct. Not sure. Okay, so now let's just commit. Mm, how do we see this? I think it gets the meaning across. Okay. Before committing, we have to style this. I think they have. Let's see. They have Celine. Okay, I think they have two things. They have Luashek and Celine. So Luashek, yep. Luashek, Semenko, whatever. I have a warning. Okay, it's for formatting. So let's just use Celine. Okay, Luashek. Let's just try to fix formatting manually. Okay, 25. Let's try that again. This again. Okay. Let's make a new branch. Lua. Um, what were we fixing? Okay, whatever. Okay, git commit. Git commit. And now I have to add my fork. So, okay, what does this git do? Okay, it does this. Let me just show you. It takes a normal GitHub link and change it to this to a git link. It's just a simple Dino script. This is the script. Okay, now back to whatever we were doing. Remote added. I think I already have a fork, right? So I think push fork. So I was going to do this remote add fork, add my fork with the nvim-lspconfig. But I think I already have the fork set up, so I can say push fork and the name of the branch that we called it. What did we call it? We called it Lua root. Okay, let's open a PR.